Ano ba talaga interpretation doon? Oh, yung 57, yung 56 na compulsory retirement only for 1 year upon effectivity of this bill.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Attorney Civil Service Commission,
Yes,
please.
Mr. Chair. In relation to the recommended amendment from the PNP as approved by the committee, Mr. Chair, there was a previous discussion a while ago about how it will be interpreted. On one hand, Mr. Chair, there is a perspective from the committee that, as worded, it will only be term of retiring employees at the age of 56 being considered as deemed compulsorily retired will only be applicable during the transition stage, meaning at the time of the effectivity of the law for those who are already less than 1 year before reaching the age of 56. On the other hand, Mr. Chair, there is also a perspective compulsorily retired at the age of 56 will be affected throughout the effectivity of the law if the proposed bill will be passed. May we just comment, Mr. Chair, that if the committee is inclined to adopt the second interpretation of the proposed provision, it may be the first time that this will happen, Mr. Chair, because in other retirement laws, particularly when it identifies a compulsory age of retirement, it identifies a single indefinite year of such compulsory age of retirement, Mr. Chair.
So in other words, sinasabi mo that there are no options.
I'm not saying, Mr. Chair, that there's no option because at the end of the day, it's the wisdom of the
this committee.
the Congress
Correct.
that will determine how any provision of the bill will be interpreted. I'm just stating that, Mr. Chair, for as additional input for the consideration
Clarity
of the committee, Mr.
Yeah,
Chair.
okay, we
Thank
understand. We understand. Thank you so much for that input. Any other matter that this committee wanted to discuss?
Ano ba talagang interpretation doon?
Tanungin mo, anong...
Ano ba talagang interpretation doon? Yun. Ate, Mr. Chairman, just for
Okay,
the record.
Congressman, Chairman ako.
Hindi.
Chairman,
Ano ba talaga interpretation doon? Oh, yung 57, yung 56 na compulsory retirement only for 1 year upon effectivity of this bill as stated by the PNP, or it can be interpreted that you can opt to or retire at the age of 56 or 57? Oh.
Hindi, we asked the PNP. I think PNP can answer that much more clearly. Sige, sir, General Okubo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You have the floor.
What we mean here, sir, is that, as said, those who have less than 1 year in service upon the effectivity of Act shall have the option to retire at the age of 56 and be considered as compulsory retired during the transition period only, sir. 1 year. And after that, lahat na, sir, will retire at 57. Yan po yung ibig naming sabihin, sir, dito.
Kaya nga. So, yung...
Mr. Chair?
Yes, so yung uniform, man.
Mr. Chair?
No, yes, Congressman Acop, sige, please.
As it is, the proposal of the PNP would have two interpretations according to the civil service. Tama po.
No, Mr. Chair. What I expressed a while ago is an observation based on the perspective kanina po na lumutang sa committee. Dalawa po kasi yung lumutang na perspective kanina from the honorable members of the committee. So I was just expressing that as regards the second perspective na throughout the effectivity of the law, magiging compulsory retired ang 56 at ang 57, sinasabi po natin na kung sakali po na yun po ang isusulong ng committee, this may be the first time na magkakaroon pong ganun ng provision on compulsory retirement sa isang batas.
Kaya nga po, siguro, meron po ba kayong recommendation para mas specific
Yes.
to suit the purpose or the proposal of the Philippine National Police?
Mr. Chair, on the part of the Civil Service Commission, perhaps it will be more in keeping with previous retirement laws as well as equal protection of laws if the interpretation to be adopted by the committee is to provide for that transition period lang po, in the sense that yung mga tatamaan po na supposedly due for retirement at the age of 56 na at the time of the effectivity of the law will be allowed to retire compulsorily. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Which is the intention of this proposal?
Apparently, that's also the intention
And that's
of
what
the
they're trying to explain to us.
General Ocobo, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
correct,
Yes, Mr.
correct.
Chair. Thank you po.
In other words, itong sinabi po nilang proposal is entirely correct because may certain period of time lang, yung tatamaan lang doon sa period of within a year. Correct? Okay. Okay. So, kaya nga ngayon tumama na.
Hindi, Mr. Chairman, allow me to ask the CAC lang po. Can you cite any provision in the law that will violate, if ever, that will be two optional age for retirement? As compulsory retirement,
As I've mentioned earlier, Mr. Chair, what I'm saying is that in previous retirement laws, what is mentioned whenever the law speaks of a compulsory age of retirement, it only identifies a single age of retirement, Mr. Chair. That is why, like I said a while ago, it's up to the wisdom of the commission if it thinks that there is some sort of sound reason for extending such a parang flexible age of compulsory retirement po. But like I mentioned, Mr. Chair, in previous retirement laws, the laws only specify a single age of compulsory retirement.
but there's no such mother law that specifically provides that only one.
I don't know
Retired
of one.
age.
I don't know of any law
No.
that provides that, Mr. Chair.
Baka pwede invoke lang pag may nag-question yung equal protection rights.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair.
Kasi yung lahat kasi na agencies in government is 56, di ba? Specifically 56 as of now, except for the AAP.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Other branches
65
of
po wala.
government are covered by other retirement laws. Po, ang iba po, o karamihan po rather, ay covered po ng GSIS law, which sets the compulsory age of retirement to 65 po.
So
Mr.
what
Chair.
you're trying to imply is that it might set a precedent in some agencies as well, most likely.
Mr.
If
Chair,
ever
I
that we
cannot
will
say
be,
that
if
it
ever
will
that
set...
wait,
Sorry,
if
Mr.
ever that
Chair.
we will be adopting this amendment, no, other agency might adopt it.
Yun pong transition po ba, Mr. Chair?
Yes, a transition.
Yes, probably, Mr. Chair, it may be adopted in future laws where the retirement age will be, will be changed, if only to accommodate that transition period po, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair? Mr. Chair,
Chairman Ako, please.
I think the proposal of the Philippine National Police is very specific already. And it pertains only to those people grouped as those PNP personnel who have less than 1 year in the service upon the effectivity of this law.
Correct.
May specific naman po yung qualification eh. So, I think I move that we
Yes.
approve this proposal of the Philippine National Police to be included in the bill So
Okay.
move, Mr. Chair.
Aye, finally. So there's a motion to include the proposed amendment by the PNP in the proposed measure of the Speaker and the other members of the Congress. Any
I second the
second
motion,
motion? This
Mr.
was
Chair.
duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.